So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about a command called man, M-A-N. Okay, you have seen me multiple times using this command. So what's the use? So if you are not aware what other like options are available with that command, okay, like cat we are having. We know to view the file we can use cat, or to create a file we can use cat. But what are the other options like -n for number thing and this thing? How will come to know? So cat hyphen help, you can ask for help. Okay, it will show you help. It got print on your screen, all number non-block and number sequence balance, show table, tabs, these things. Okay, but if you can use man cat, okay, here it will show cat concatenate file and print on the standard output. Synopsis cat option in a file name. There's a syntax. What are the options with no file or with the file? Read standard input. -a for show all, -b numeric, E again, capital E number for n, sequence blank thing, tab is showing, ignore, V, okay, show non-printing thing. So it will show you, okay, and it is having some example also, cat f-g. Output F content, then standard input, then G is a content. Cat copy standard input and to output. Okay, standard input to output. And author, bugs, copyright. Okay, so that's all it will show, and not just a cat command. If you need any help to any command like man IP, okay, we got detail for IP. To come out of this, we have to press Q. Okay, quit. Man host name. Okay, see, got the detail for host name, examples. So man command is for help, but in exam you should not use man command. Okay, but in corporate we are using, because if you want to do Google, you can Google it, but Google is like n number of like pages you will get, and you have to search in. Best thing is man cp command. Okay, what are the options? Archive, attribute, copy, destination, force, interactive, link, no color, verbose, parent, recursive, everything is there. Okay, so you can use in that manner. So if you want any command, if you are not aware about what option I should use with this, you can use man command for that. Man ping, okay, so ping 4, ping 5, these are the options available. So many times I was using man command to show you something, but I forgot to tell you about the man command. So sorry for that. Today I am covering that thing, man. Man is for help. Okay, it's a MAN. You can use command hyphen help also. Okay, but sometimes it won't work. See, with cat it was working, but with ping it's not working. But man command will work with every command. Ping, hostname, IP, see IP. For exit is quit queue. That's all. It will come out, and it will not won't like append your on a screen. So man, once you quit, you will be having this thing on your page. So that's all for today. That's all about the man command. Okay, rest you can learn about the man command. You can do man. So it will show like manual page utility to itself, like you are calling help for a help. Okay, so you can use this thing in this manner. If you have any question, please feel free to put in a comment box. I will answer those things. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.